Hey friends, it's Miss Melissa, and you know who this is. It's my good friend, Hoots. Hoots, say hi. And Hoots, please answer this question that everybody asks me all the time. Are you a puppet? You are a puppet, right? Everyone loves Hoots. Wherever we go, everybody loves Hoots. You know why? Because he's a puppet. I don't know why, but people just love puppets. Right, Hoots? So we thought today we would talk about puppets and about having a puppet show. So if you have a puppet in your house like Hoots, you should go get them today, right, Hoots? And you should use them. Yes, that would be awesome. Now, if you don't have a puppet like Hoots, there's lots of things you can do. Like, if you don't have a puppet, sometimes you can just make one, right, Hoots? That's right. I've seen kids use paper bags to make puppets. I bet some of you have used a paper bag, right? You decorate the bag to look like a person or maybe some kind of interesting creature, right? And then you put your hand up inside the bag and you turn it over and you talk with the bag. Hoots, is this how I use you? Yes. Right? No. Whatever your hand does, your puppet's going to do, right, Hoots? That's right. And you have to get used to using your hand to use your puppet, right, Hoots? That's right. So, you know what? Sometimes I just practice with my hand. Hoots, will you do this with me? Okay, Hoots, will you show how you are sad? Do you see my hand went like this to show that I'm sad? All right, Hoots, will you show that you are happy? And my hand kind of went like this, right? So the way you move your hand is the way your puppet is going to kind of feel. So if you want your puppet to dance, you're gonna move your hand all around like this. Hoots, are you dancing? He's dancing, he's dancing. Yep, that's right. If you want your puppet to walk, you can make your puppet walk by moving your hands like this and keep them going like this, and then they can come back this way. Your puppet can look like maybe it's floating in space. Could you do that for us, Hoots? Whoa, Hoots. Cool, Hoots. Oh, he looks like he's floating in space. So whatever you want your puppet to do, you want your hand to do. So you need to practice. So sometimes it's just cool to kind of, you watch Hoots, you just move your hand. Like if you want your puppet to float in space, or maybe you want your puppet to dance, or maybe you want your puppet to laugh, right? You need to move your hand that way. So Hoots, that was kind of a good lesson on moving your puppet, right? Now, one thing I noticed about Hoots is he's kind of quiet. You are a quiet puppet, right, Hoots? That's right. So puppets don't have to say anything, right, Hoots? And some puppets talk, right? Some puppets do. Okay, Hoots, will you give me a chance to get one of our talking puppets? Okay, I'm gonna get one of our talking puppets. Hoots, you'll be back, right? Okay, Hoots, okay. He's going over here, and here comes one of my talking puppets. This is, hey, I'm Jeff. Oh, hey, Jeff. Are people watching today about puppets? Yes, they are, Jeff. They're watching today. A bunch of kids are watching you today because we're talking about how to use puppets. And you know what, Jeff? You're just a stuffed animal, right? I don't even need a puppet that I can put my hand in. I can just use a stuffed animal for a puppet, right? Now, Jeff, you're a big talker, right? Yes, I am. Now, I noticed Jeff has a really deep voice. If you're gonna give your puppet a voice, you need to choose the voice you're gonna use. Jeff has a deep voice, right? Yes. Do I have to use my voice to make you talk, Jeff? Yes. So I've got to lower my voice, right? Now you've got a friend, Jeff, don't you? I've got tons of friends. I've got tons of friends. Oh, you do? Okay, well, let me get your friend out. Okay, this is Peanut. Hey, Peanut. Oh, hey, Jeff. Oh, so Jeff and Peanut are friends, and Jeff, yeah, you have kind of a different voice too. Yeah, I got kind of a silly voice. Oh, Jeff, this is Peanut. Peanut can be really, really very funny, right? And so, Peanut, yeah, what are you gonna do that's funny for us today? Shake my bushy tail. Oh my goodness, here he goes. Shake my bushy tail, shake my bushy tail. Oh, see, now Peanut is very, very funny. So if you have a puppet, sometimes your puppet can be really funny too. That's something fun to do. If your puppet is really funny, that makes other people laugh when you're putting on a puppet show, right? Sure does. Like, I could be funny. You want to see? Sure. Do you want to see, Jeff? Yes. Okay. All right. So be funny for us, Peanut. Okay. Are you ready for this? I don't think you're ready for this. I don't think you're ready for this. Okay. We're ready for it. We're ready, Peanut. Okay. Peanut. That was just crazy. I don't know that was funny. It was a little bit crazy. Well, I like to be crazy. I think it's funny. Okay, Jeff? Yes? Can puppets have a conversation? Yes. How do they do that? They talk to each other. Well, show me how. Hey, Peanut. Hey, Jeff. How are you doing today? I'm doing just great. How are you doing? I'm doing just great because I'm showing the kids how to put on a good puppet show. Well, that's kind of cool. Are you being funny? No. Well, it should be, because funny makes people laugh when they're sitting in the audience watching a puppet show. I was just being funny. Did you see it? I did. I thought you were kind of acting a little bit crazy. I wasn't acting crazy. See? It made Jeff laugh. So if your puppets are going to talk to each other, you just can turn them this way, or they can even talk to each other this way. So you don't even have to have a puppet that your hand goes in. You can just use some of your stuffed animals. All right, Peanut? Yeah? I'm going to have to put you down now. Okay. No more shaking your bushy tail for now. Okay. Peanut and Jeff, thanks for being on the video today. You're welcome. Okay. These guys are going to go off. And you know what? I love making puppets walk different. Oh, here they come again. Oh boy, here they come again. Come again. Up, up. You're standing on his head to go out? Okay. Puppets can do so much funny things. Now, I have a good friend here. Well loved. Many of my friends who are watching probably know this friend of mine. Back by popular demand, I've had a lot of requests. It is Lamby! Lamby! Oh, Lamby is so excited to be back. Lamby, you don't know what to do with yourself. Lamby doesn't even know which way to look, what to do. Look right there. Look right there. There are the kids. Look, Lamby, look. Oh, Lammy's so excited. Now, Lamby, sometimes Lamby talks. Sometimes, oh, Lammy's just so excited. Lamby, calm down. Good thing to do is hug your puppets. Hug, oh my goodness. What? You're feeling kind of smushed, Lamby? Okay, all right. Now, Lamby has been to meet lots of my friends in many different places, right, Lamby? Yes, oh, you're settling down now. That's good. Okay, maybe I should keep hugging you like this. All right, Lamby, one of the things that Lamby does really well is he makes the most hilarious faces. Right, Lamby? Can you make a funny face for us? Okay, here he goes. He's warming up. He always gets warming up with his mouth. Then he's going to make a crazy face. Look at that face! Lamby, that is a crazy face. Lammy's, oh boy, he's getting sillier. He thinks it's so funny. Oh, Lamby, you haven't warmed up to talk yet. No, Lamby, do not eat your hands. Take your hands out of your mouth. Take that hand out of your mouth. Look at that. I'm holding on to part of my puppet. So it's fun sometimes if you're doing a puppet show to like shake your puppet's hand or pet your puppet or hug your puppet and smush his face like that, right? Lamby. Now, you know this about Lamby. He was always, when I didn't recognize it, he would talk. Like when I was turned around or something, he would talk to the kids and I was like, was Lamby talking to you? And they were like, yes. And I'm like, well, I didn't hear Lamby. Lamby, you're not going to do that today, right? All right, I have to look over here for a minute to get ready for something else, okay? So just watch Lamby. He shouldn't talk, all right? I'm just gonna get something over here. Shh, don't tell her that I'm talking. How's everybody doing today? I'm doing really well. Shh. Lamby, were you just talking? You weren't talking? Uh-oh, he's laughing. I think he was talking. Shh. No, it wasn't. Was he just talking? No. Oh my God. Lamby, everybody's missed you so much. They've missed you a lot. They've missed your craziness. Yep, up, here he goes. Up, this is Lamby's favorite thing to do. Up, he's gone. Lamby, what are you doing? What are you doing? He's just laughing. Lamby, what? He's gone. Lamby, what are you doing? He's gone. If you're going to be using a puppet, sometimes it's fun. If you have a puppet stage, I don't know if you do. If you don't, just take a blanket or a sheet and put it over a chair, and you've got a puppet stage to use, and then your puppet can kind of just pop up or pop in, right, Lamby? He loves popping into all different kinds of places, right? When he would be behind a puppet stage, he would just pop up all of a sudden. That's something fun you can do with your puppet if you're doing a puppet show. Just have them pop in and out, right? But, oh, Lamby, what are you doing now? Oh boy, I don't know what Lambie's doing. Some of my puppet friends, they're just always trying to be silly to make people laugh. And you know what I love about that? Oh wait, but Lamby, I gotta hug you again and smush your face. Smush your face. This always kept him, when I smushed his face, it kept him very still. One of the great things is when you bring a puppet out and you use it, it doesn't matter if it's one that your hand moves in or one, oh, here comes Jeff again, or one that's just a stuffed animal. Lamby, it's been such a long time. Oh, they're hugging. They love each other. Oh, you guys, can you guys go over here for a minute? Yeah, okay. Wait. You were already said bye. Somehow you got back in here, Jeff. Bye. You want to say bye, Lamby? Bye. All right, guys, you need to go. Okay, there they go. I bet Lamby will be back at another time because so many people have asked about him. But you know, if you have a puppet today, go get your puppet friend. Hoots, you're back. Hoots, we're just telling the kids, go and get one of your puppets today, or a stuffed animal, or maybe make one out of a paper bag, or maybe just practice with your hand today and have a puppet show for someone, because what that does is it makes them happy, right, Hoots? It does. Puppets always make people feel happy, right? They do. They really do. All right. I hope you guys will go find a puppet today. You will practice with that puppet. You will do fun things. Remember, change your voice. If you're going to have a talking puppet, make sure you practice different voices. I don't know what your voice is going to sound like, but I would love to see some puppet shows. Wouldn't you? Because they would make me laugh. They really would. So if you want to send me a video of you doing a puppet show, you can post it below if you want to. And you can kind of comment, right? And tell us what you did with your puppet. Maybe you could tell me about the story that you did with your puppet, or the story that you told today. If you do a puppet show, I'd love to know about it. All right, say bye to the kids, Hoots. Bye. All right, you guys, make sure that you have a fun puppet show today. And I will see you tomorrow. Hoots is saying bye again. Bye, guys. Have fun with your puppets.